Hello and welcome to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today in this video we will be continuing with the series of English language paper 1 in which we will be discussing about essays. In this video we will be discussing in detail about argumentative essay. So continuing from the end of the last video, a good essay above all should contain sound reasoning and convincing examples than mere play of words. Remember that when you use comma or the use of punctuation in a given sentence can entirely change or reverse the meaning of the sentence. It will be made clear to you by this example. Now here you can see that the same sentence, the criminal says the judge should be hanged. The comma is differently used in these two same sentences and the meaning is entirely different. The first one says the criminal comma says the judge comma should be hanged. It means the criminal says the judge should be hanged. It means that the judge is making the statement that the criminal should be hanged. Now, the same sentence, the comma is used in differently at a different place, and just see how the meaning changes. The criminal says, comma, the judge should be hanged. So here, the use of comma changes the meaning of the sentence. And here in the second part of the sentence, the criminal is making a statement that the judge should be hanged. Now I hope that now you people are clear about the proper use of punctuation while you write your essays. Students, you should also keep in your mind that while you write your essay, you should split your essay in paragraphs. Sometimes some students make a mistake. They in continuation write their essays and forget to divide their essays in paragraphs. So your essay should contain 3 to 4 paragraphs. Now we will discuss that what an argumentative essay is. So the definition part says that an argumentative essay is a type of composition where you express your views on a topic of general interest. And here you are to argue a case, argue the given topic either in favor or against the given topic. So here you can see that the word argue is underlined and favor and against is also underlined, which means that if you are writing an argumentative essay, you should be completely in agreement with the given statement or you should completely disagree. You cannot write both the opinions. So you cannot mix both these opinions. So I hope that now you all are clear and please keep this particular thing in your mind. Now there are some tips or qualities which are expected in an argumentative composition. The first one says that you should state your position clear at the outset, because before when you start your writing, you should be very clear that whether you are in favor or against the motion or the given topic. You should be very clear at the beginning or before you start writing the essay. You should be very clear that you are going to either in favor or in the against of the given topic. Then you should present your essay with adequate arguments in a balanced view. Third point says that you should always add one real life experience before you conclude your essay. And I will be discussing this real life experience in the example when I will finish these points. So, you should always add one real life experience before you end your essay. The fourth part says that you should avoid presenting a prejudiced view. The readers do not want an angry condemnation of the view of others. They want a reasonable examination of the topic followed by an equally cool statement of your opinion. That it means that you should be polite and humble while you make your opinion. If you are disagreeing with something, you should not state your anger or use unprofessional language. So, I hope the last, which is the fifth point, I hope that you are clear with all these 4 points. The fifth point says, at the end of your composition, you should be able to present a clear conclusion. Remember one thing, you should always write your conclusion in your argumentative essays. Now, explanation of the above mentioned qualities, I'll be discussing with you all with one example. And example is a question which was in the 2019 question English paper 1 paper. Closed circuit television CCTV must be installed in every classroom. Give your views either for or against this statement. So this was the question which was asked in the 2019 English paper 1 question paper. So now answering this question, you should split your essay in 3 or 4 paragraphs. And how to split your essays in 3 or 4 paragraphs, I have already discussed in my previous video. So the paragraph 1, as you all know, will be the introduction of the essay, and you will start your essay by the opening line, and you will quote the statement given in the question which says, closed circuit television CCTV is essential to be fixed in every classroom. So I have changed some of the words in this statement. The statement is the same statement which is asked in the question, but as you can see that the question says CCTV must be installed in every classroom. So here I have converted it into closed circuit television CCTV is, instead of must be, I have chosen essential, and instead of installed I have chosen fixed. This shows that I am not repetitive, and my vocabulary, I have got many words. In my vocabulary I have got many words. So this you will write the statement given in the question. Either you can quote the same what is written in the question, or if you can replace it with synonyms of the given words, you can clearly write it, and you should remember that the meaning should not change. So you will write, the closed circuit TV CCTV is essential to be fixed in every classroom. I completely agree with this statement. This is your opening line in the para 1 or the introduction of the essay. Every argumentative essay you will start like this. If you disagree with the statement, you will write, I completely disagree with this statement, whatever the statement is given in the question. Here you all know what the statement is, and I have written it here. So now I hope that you all are clear that how you are going to start your argumentative essay. You can then, in this paragraph, you can then also write about the technology of the CCTV. That CCTV is a technology in which multiple cameras are fixed and joined on single or multiple screens. They are where they are used or where they are installed. You can also mention that. You can mention that they are installed in places like banks, shopping malls, hospitals, etc., or places which attract masses or crowds. Now moving on to the second paragraph, which is the body. So this is the body of your essay, and you are required to write about why CCTV is mandatory in every classroom. And here you can write that CCTV gives a sense of protection and importance of security to parents and the students. The CCTV not only prevents any kind of mishaps, indiscipline in the classroom, but also helps to identify the cause behind such activities, which means that installing a CCTV can give you or can give the school management a leverage or a facility to watch each and every corner of the school with very less manpower. Para 3. In this paragraph, you will write one real life example. Real life example you can write about the unacceptable behaviors such as bullying, fake presentations, and false accusations. Or you can also write and justify your real life examples that CCTV was not installed in the school premises, so all these activities were the school management was not able to prevent or avoid. So this is known as the real life experience, and it is mandatory. You should include this real life example in every argumentative essay you write. Now the paragraph 4 is the end of your essay. Now in this paragraph you will end your essay with a clear conclusion. Here you can write about the classroom management, planning and sense of security, safe and secure environment for students. And you can also mention that students and teachers and all the staff members, in the presence of CCTV, they feel secure. And that is why you agree with the given motion or topic. So this is a proper conclusion of your essay. So now students, I hope that you all are clear about writing argumentative essays. Now I will give you some questions for practice. I'll be also giving these questions in the description link. The first question is, schooling is the most important element in development of a nation. Express your views either for or against this statement. And the second question is, give your arguments for or against animals used in public street performances. So these are the two questions, and you can write these essays and you can send me your attachments to my email. I will be forwarding my email address in the description too. So please do practice these two questions. Remember, students, as I say always, the success has got no shortcut. You have to read, write, and revise. So before I end, I would like to make a request that please share, watch, subscribe and like your channel. Share it with your classmates, share it with your friends so that every single child can be benefited. Till the next video, stay healthy, blessings and peace.